Hello folks and welcome back to another lesson. We're going to be looking at a Mother Love Bone track in this one. This is Shangrila for the lovely Christophe Jorssen, who's one of our lovely patrons. So thanks very much indeed for your support. And here is your just reward. Hope you all enjoy it too. So tone wise I'm using the 1991 pedal, both gain up full. And that's that. So, standard tuning. Let's crack on with the first riff, shall we? Alright, and then round. So, it's all octaves on the A and the G string. So you're going to be muting the D string there, right? With a bit of meat from your first finger. So the initial rhythm goes like this. So down, up, and then 4 whacks. And you could also do a bit of palm muting as well. So okay, otherwise you might get a bit too much noise. Up to you. Then you move up to the 9th fret. And there's a rest, and then and that's a slide from the 9th to the 10th, and 2 more. So that's slowly. And the rest of it is exactly the same in that you do a slide and then 2. So that's the same pattern. You're just going 10 to 12 and back down to 9 and then this for the last beat. So 9, 10, 9. Second time round, same first bar, but then you're going to do a descending run. Okay, so that's just 10 to 9, 9 to 7, 7 to 5, and then back up. Okay? And then back around, so the last beat would be, and then back into it again. And the first part's cool, it's just an E power chord. Then you got this lick, 3, 4, 1. So bend on the 14th fret, and I think there's a palm muted G, open G there. But it's more of an incidental thing, right? So you could do it without that, but I think it sounds nice with it in. So get that in if you can, and then again. Then you got a bit of a slide, and then you got and that's it. So round again. And then you've got alright, which is just a subtly different fill. So the first time you play, which is basically 10, 9, 7, 5. Second time round you're going to play 10, 9, 10, 12, 10, 9. And then into the chorus. And this time the chorus is a little bit less hectic, I guess, because you're just going to play. Okay, so there's a lot more gaps there. So you're going to play on the 7th fret, then 2 whacks, and then so that together is same as before. But this time, rather than playing, you just go to the 10th fret. And you've got a bit more time to get back down to the 7th fret then. again, you just stay on the 5th fret for that last beat. And this next part's quite noodly, but I'll outline the main parts. You're going to play. Okay, and then you've got some other bits that go. So you're going between A and G basically, right? 14th fret, double stop on the G and the B with a slide, 2 whacks, and then you've got this. And that is just a double stop, bend and release. With that pattern, right? Then you've got to pull off again. That's the riff, right? Then you've got this lovely fill. 3, 4, 1. And that is just 4 whacks and then... Alright, so you're just alternating between the palm muting and the double stop, right? Alright, all on the off beat when you're playing the double stop. And then you got this. Little fill, right, which is cool. So 14th fret from coming out of that little lick, you know. Bend up a full step. 12, 14, 12, right? Wicked. Same as the first one, and then again. And there's one other fill worth pointing out which goes. Okay, so that is just 12th fret double stop, and then you've got, you repeat that with that rhythm slowly. And then on the 14th fret again, right? So then you're back into the... So do what you want there, really. It's very, very fluid and loose. So there you have it. Hope you enjoyed that one. See you again soon. Cheers, bye-bye.